You thought diamonds were a girl's best friend? Our facelift mask is the most sought after product. Once you try Vinny's facelift mask, you won't be able to live without it. After the first use, you will see fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots start to disappear, and will be left with firmer, toned, clear, and youthful skin. Just as springtime provides a new beginning for Mother Earth, Ayurveda's natural herbs help your skin to recapture a youthful appearance once again. Our formula tones, tightens, and helps to erase years from your face and neck.
I'm Erica Viking, and I do a morning show. I've been doing morning radio for, I guess the last 20 years. It's been really difficult for me as far as skincare goes because I never seem to get to bed on time, and I'm always getting up extremely early, and it puts so much wear and tear on your skin. I was feeling like I had a lot of dryness and a lot of stress in my skin simply because of my hours and also the desert climate that we live in. When I talked to Vinny at first about her products, everyone said, once you use it, you're not going to be able to live without it. And I thought, oh, great. I've spent so much money on so many products, and you see a bit of a difference, but really nothing that has made me want to come back and keep buying the same product over and over. I always seem to switch and go with the next new thing. And I thought that's exactly how this was going to be too. As it turns out, after using the Instant Facelift Mask one time, I was absolutely addicted. And I joke with my friends calling it face crack because that's exactly what it is. It's like a drug. You do get addicted to it. Once you put it on and you see the instant difference in your face, it makes you want to do the mask 2 to 3 times a day, like you can't stop.
Our facelift mask is made with the purest ingredients that offer dramatic results and yet is gentle enough to use daily to maintain a youthful appearance. Recapture your youth by using this incredible product daily. Truly a woman's best friend.